Stop listening to online gurus. If you want to make money online, copy normal people like me. I'm not rich, I don't sell courses. But this method makes money online. Even for beginners, let me show you what I do. Step 1. Understand this truth. Money online comes from attention. If people watch your content, money follows. That's why I focus on short-form videos. Not blogs, not websites, just shorts. Step 2. Find viral content to copy. I don't create ideas from my brain. I do this instead. Open YouTube Shorts. Search one keyword, like luxury facts. Sort by popular videos. If one video goes viral, I recreate it in my own way. Same idea, different video. Step 3. Simple video formula. Every video I post follows this formula. First 2 seconds, shocking line middle, fast facts or story, end, curiosity or question, no long talking, no boring intro. Step 4. Tools I use, free. I use free stock videos, free editing apps, AI voice or captions. You don't need money to start, you need action. Step 5. How money comes in. After some videos blow up, I earn from ads affiliate links. Brand deals, most people quit before this stage. That's why they fail. Big mistake to avoid. Uploading once a week, changing niches, deleting videos, I never do that. Final motivation. I copied this system, it worked for me. You don't need talent, you need consistency. Call to action. If you want my exact niche list and video ideas, subscribe and comment start. I'll help you.